Hey, Ron back here with a quick video here. I'm going to talk about the anti-gravity. I believe they call it the A1 drone. We saw it teased back in the summer. It's a collaboration between Insta360 and a unknown company to most of us, AntiGravity, and they, merged, combined to make the world's first 360 drone. And they promised a January 2026 release. But the good news this morning on all their social medias, I saw it on Twitter, but I got an email later on and said you go to their website. They have now announced a a December 4th release, 2025, of the anti-gravity A1 drone. So that's only a week away. I think it's Thursday of next week. Today is November 26th, the day before Thanksgiving. So when you're eating your Thanksgiving turkey, you can think that next week you should be able to get the the anti-gravity drone. And there have also been some leaks in the past week of it being in Best Buy stores. They've been putting the signage up, display kits, or whatever. Now, whether everything's so AI now, I can't verify that those were real photos, but we did see them. I don't know if that's in the U.S. or Canada. I'm not sure if the rest of the world has Best Buys, but yeah. So again, what we don't know is pricing. There's no more good leaks on the pricing, or we don't know any more specs than we did months ago. So hopefully we'll find all that Thursday. Maybe there'll be some leaks coming now on those things, but they've been doing a pretty good job of keeping a lid on this stuff, unlike DJI, who when they release a new drone, the details are almost all out by release day. So they're doing a better job. There's probably not as much interest in the company here. But what we do know is Insta360 providing the camera technology. They've been the leader in the Insta360 cameras for years now, at least in the consumer realm. So we know that the imaging will be solid, and hopefully they put the replaceable lenses on, which they brought to the X5 just this year. So with the drone, if you had a little accident, you could use it, replace the lenses. But the camera technology will be I know that'll be good. But what we don't know is how good the drone part of the technology will be coming from a company we don't know anything about. It appears to be their first drone, so that is up in the air. I mean, there've been seems like a million teasers since August, whatever. It's almost some weeks it seems like a teaser every day of the drone doing amazing things. We know what it looks like, that's for sure. And we've seen, what is supposedly video from it on many of these teasers. And it was at the World Series this year. It got to fly for, a couple seconds or a couple minutes. So, I mean, it's been around. And again, we far as we know what it looks like. We know what the goggles look like. We know kind of what the video can look like from it. So some of that's known, but what we don't know next week is on that date, will it be in stores, and especially in the U.S., will it be in shelves in stores, but we have to kind of pre-order when we order it, and then it doesn't come for a couple weeks. Will it survive U.S. customs? I mean, I know it's not DJI, but the drone supposedly the politicians here want to get rid of all Chinese drones. Whether this is going to get through customs, it should, because I think at the point right now they're only stopping boxes labeled DJI, but I guess it should get through. So but we don't know anything about the order process. We don't know about the price. We don't know how soon it will be delivered to our house after the 4th, or if we will be able to run down to a local retailer and pick it up. So a lot of unanswered questions about this drone, but I did want to get this information out to anybody here who isn't subscribed to Anti-Gravity on their social media and didn't happen to see this, because I know it's the night before Thanksgiving here. I know a lot of the guys that cover this stuff are off for the holidays, or traveling right now, so the information's probably not getting out like it normally would on a normal week cycle here. So and we'll talk about it more on Drone Nation on Monday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on the Drone Nation YouTube channel. Maybe we'll get hopefully more information about then. So I'm going to kind of quit talking here. I don't even have any, no use me even showing you pictures, because anybody could easily see a picture. I would just go to the website here. So and the website, it's kind of, it even looks like it's some kind of a old, I don't know, old video game graphic, the way the stuff's scrolling down. So go over there, check it out. And again, I'll be back if I have any more information for you, before that. And I'm interested in drone. I don't know if I don't know if I'm going to order it sight unseen. I may wait to see some full reviews on it before I do it, because again, it is kind of a new company, not the camera side, but the drone side. So, you'd hate to fork over, a good chunk of change and get a, kind of a disappointment from the first drone company. So I'll probably be conservative unless the price is so good that it's hard to pass up. And I think it's key for Anti-Gravity this drone has to be priced right. If they overprice it, where that people aren't going to buy it, and then of course the rumors are heavy that DJI is releasing a Avata 360 drone before the 23rd of December, beat the drone ban. That's going to offer the 360. You'll be able to fly just like a FPV drone. This is the rumors. And also, what else? People say you'd be able to fly it with goggles or a controller. So it sounds like it's a very versatile drone. Again, this is all rumors and speculation here. But they want to get out there before that drone release. And they also they don't want to be, priced higher than that drone, because of that drone seems to be like it's going to be more versatile. So they have to be priced right. They have to know their market, and they can't be overpriced and underperforming on features if they expect to compete with DJI in this space. Just my opinion here. But I'm looking forward. I wish them the best of luck. I hope this is a great product. And so that's it. I want to pop out a couple of videos. I know a lot of people have been asking me about the Avata 2. I haven't purchased it yet. Want to make a video, tell you my thoughts on it. I also haven't purchased the Action 6 yet. So I want to make a video, give you my thoughts on both those products and why I don't have them in my hands right now. So with that being said, give this video a thumbs up if you got anything out of it. Subscribe to the channel if you're not already a member, and ring that bell so you'll know when I put up a new video. And maybe I'll link another video up here for you to go watch. I maybe somehow relate to this video here. So instead of saying goodbye, I'm going to say I'll see you at that next video, folks, and happy Thanksgiving.